Okay guys, cruising Facebook Marketplace and I found this. Messaged the guy and he said you could come look at it. So time to go. Grab a bottle of water, wallet, I need the truck keys, gonna need some of these. Might as well take one of these. Gonna need a few of these. Okay guys, so we're heading out to, got about an hour and a half ride to go pick up this motorcycle. He was just ready to come with me. Hey Cappy. He was just ready to come with me, and so we're figuring out, maybe you guys have seen him in the background every now and then, but this genetic specimen is Cappy. Let's go pick up this motorcycle. 1978, and it just pops right off. Okay guys, so I'll tell you a little bit about as we're driving through the neighborhood, about the motorcycle that we're going after. It looks to be an early either CA or C200, little Honda 90. Hard to tell from the images. Guy didn't have much information about it. It's reasonably priced, and we'll see if we can get it for a more reasonable price. And if not, we'll walk away. That's the good thing about it is I don't get too emotionally attached to most of these motorcycles that I buy, especially when I'm buying them. After I get them and start working on them, I seem to get a little bit more emotionally attached. But when I'm buying them, I'm not. So I know what I want to pay for it, and if that doesn't fit, we'll still be friends, but I'm not going to spend the money. So I've got my attack dog here in case things go south. Are you finished? Guys, you never know where you're gonna end up when you go looking for motorcycles. I ended up at DA Restorations LLC, and look at this. And then it gets even better when we get inside. So we're gonna walk through. I'll introduce you to Travis. I'm gonna put all the links below so you guys can see this, but they do amazing work.
Where I started out of a 15 by 30 garage, me and my friend, and then it grew and grew and grew, and I moved here, and it grew some more, and I'm outgrown, and
that's awesome.
You know, partnership in a tire company, and
oh, that's amazing! Congratulations, man!
Like these are our tanks. We produce.
So you guys make those?
We actually make the tanks.
That's incredible.
Do a little bit of everything now, so.
Oh man, that is nuts.
I'm gonna get out your way, do you think?
No, I want you on it because I want people to come talk to you. So guys, we're at DNA Restorations.
That's right.
And with Travis.
How you doing, guys? I'm Travis with DNA Restorations, part owner of Servo Tires, as you can see on the shirt.
Oh yeah.
Glad to have you. Thanks for
coming.
Yeah,
man. Thanks for having a motorcycle for sale.
Yep.
Right. So we're just going to show you some of the stuff we're going to go through. We're going to go find the motorcycle, but this is awesome. It's amazing. How long you guys been here, Travis?
I've been here since 2018. We've been in business since 2016.
So, guys, if you want a three-wheeler to look really awesome, this is the guy to send it to. Who would know?
Small town Louisiana.
Cut off Louisiana.
That's right.
Yeah, and we're just gonna. These guys are working, so we don't want to keep them busy.
Like.
But we're gonna go through here just to see it. Look at this. We won't interrupt, but this is awesome. Hey guys, look at this thing. It's amazing. It's amazing. So go check them out. The link will be in the description below. Here, that'll be our thumbnail. So guys, Servo Tires. I'll put the links below. If you have a three-wheeler, four-wheeler?
Vintage three-wheelers mostly.
Vintage three-wheelers mostly. So if you need tires, you got to move a motorcycle from upstairs to downstairs. This is the way to do it. Okay guys, we're almost home with the C200 back there. You can see it back there. Cappy has about had enough. Cappy, been a good trip? What you got? What you got? Anything to say? Nothing? You got nothing? We're almost home. Okay guys, we made it home. We made it back. Give you a little walk around on this little C200. These 200s were started in 1963. This is an early pushrod engine. Missing the muffler. It does have the carburetor, this intake, which is awesome. Air cleaners inside I checked. There's a battery on the other side. Needs a cover for the seat. Tank will need to be cleaned out. Engine will have, it just needs an overall cleaning so you can actually see what's what. Maybe a front wheel. Back wheel looks good. We'll need a headlight. This little guy has, this is so awesome, has 14,000 miles on it. Somebody went to work, right? They rode it. Looks like there was an animal here that's not there anymore. It does need a tail light, which I think I have one. It does need tires, which I think I have them already. Levers are there. Clutch is clutching. Brake is braking. This is the best thing, is that it does that. That's good. That's a good thing. So it shouldn't be too bad. This badging is in good shape. Super dirty, but at least it's all there. It's missing a screw right there. Needs a front fender. Altogether, it's not that bad a shape. I know you guys are probably saying, Eric, it looks pretty rough, but it's not bad. It could be a whole lot worse, right? It could be missing a third of the bottom part of the wheel. It could be, the engine could be stuck. So this is just covered with years and years of dirt. Now, before you guys start saying, okay, we need to start arranging an intervention for the old guy, we don't need one. Not for this guy, because this one is not for me. It's for my daughter and her future husband, Bryce. They wanted a motorcycle. Bryce in particular wants one that he can work on, so this is not mine. It will be here, but it's for him to work on, me to work on it with him. So that's what it is. It is not my motorcycle. No, it's not. But it will be living here until it's running, which I don't think is going to take too long. But so guys, there you have it. Not what I had planned for today, but it's the way where the day took us. And I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. Do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're in the subscribing mood, just wander on over to our friends, Brickhouse Builds, Gold Guy, Moto Mango, Ace Cafe Bikes, Mile Zero Racers, Plan B Motos, Pete's Classic Cycle, and Lady Moto Bang, and give those guys a subscribe too. And if you want to leave Cappy a comment down below, I'll read them all to him. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day.